WADC effects aircraft in Operation Red Wing, projects 5.1 through 5.6. The first WADC took atoll on 12 March 1956 when the B-52 and B-47. The B-52 departed Seattle, Washington, making one stop at Hickam Air Force Base, Hawaii. The B-47 departed WADC and made stops at Travis and Hickam Air Force bases. Each of the effects aircraft had been instrumented by contractor personnel beginning more than a year prior to departure for the Pacific Proving Grounds. The arrival of the effects aircraft was delayed since neither fuel nor refueling facilities were available at Aeronautics until 12 March. The B-66 arrived on 16 March. This aircraft used a KB-29P tanker for in-flight refueling to accomplish the Travis to Hickam and Hickam to Aeronautics portions of the ferry mission. The B-57 arrived on 19 March, departing from WADC and having stops at Travis, Hickam, Johnson, and Kwajalein Islands. The aircraft used a bomb bay fuel tank for the flight. This tank was removed at the test site, and the instrumentation recorders and controls were reinstalled in the bomb bay section.